Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're testing this Quickmill Vetrano espresso machine, and the issue with this machine is it wasn't pumping water to go through the group head. And we found recently we found that there's an issue with this valve inside the tank, and which is creating the problem. And the classic sign is if when you pull the lever, push the lever down, you hear a bunch of bubbles kind of expelling, and you'll also see bubbles in the tank, like a big jet of bubbles just like burst out. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull a shot. You get a nice shot, just over 9 bar. Test the steam. For some reason the steam didn't work there. Hot water works. Let me check the steam here. Alright, so the steam tip was clogged and I had to unclog it, so now it's working now. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.